मैं हूं आपका होस्ट ज़फ़र खान एंड वेलकम टू अनदर ब्रांड न्यू शो कॉल्ड निकाय के खट्टे मीठे पल, जहां की हम लोग आपको सिखाएंगे, यानी कि आप दर्शकों को सिखाएंगे कि अच्छा खाना मिनिमम टाइम और एफर्ट में कैसे बनाया जाता है। We at Nikai ke Khatte Meethe Pal believe that for good cooking, you don't really have to put in more effort and more time. You can also do it very simply. I am right now relaxing in the sunny, spectacular outdoors of the Arabian Park Hotel besides the amazing pool. And today's episode is all about barbecuing, which seems to be the latest trend to hit the UAE. It's weekend time और सब लोग चले जाते हैं to a park or to a beach to barbecue. But what some of us don't know is how to set up a good barbecue, which is the surprise of today's show. We are going to show you how to set up a good, simple barbecue, which you can do yourself with your friends and family. Welcome back to Nikai ke Khatte Meethe Pal. To move ahead with the first recipe of the show, I have with me the man who's going to do it all. He is Chef Girish Babu. He is the chef du cuisine of Arabian Park Hotel, and he's going to show us a lot of things today. Chef, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much, Jafar. Today we're going to do barbecue dishes. The first one to start off is chicken shashlik.
चिकन शास्लिक। इस डिश को बनाने के पहले देखते हैं कि इसके क्या इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं। मैरिनेशन के लिए इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं चिकन ब्रेस्ट 250 ग्राम्स, लेबने 2 टेबलस्पून, paprika 1 tablespoon, onion powder 1 tablespoon, garlic powder 1 tablespoon, soya sauce 2 tablespoon, LNP sauce 1 tablespoon, corn oil 2 tablespoon, rosemary fresh 1 sprig, thyme fresh 1 sprig, salt half teaspoon, pepper half teaspoon, lemon juice 2 tablespoon, and sugar 1 teaspoon. So chef, let's go ahead with the marination now.
All right, we will jump in.
Okay.
All right, so that's the chicken.
Okay.
That's just boneless chicken breast.
Okay.
It's always better to have chicken breast when you do barbecues.
Okay.
The reason why is because it cooks faster.
Okay.
So
Okay.
there we go. That's the chicken.
All right. That's
And that's labne. That's paprika.
paprika powder.
That's paprika, and that's smoked. Then I've got garlic powder.
So
And
all these are readily available.
these are all available in the market.
Okay.
Then you got onion powder as well.
Oh, okay.
You don't have to chop onions for marination. So mix them again. All
Yeah.
right. So that's get a nice
Good flavor.
orange color with a nice flavor.
It already looks so good.
All right. So
This is for the information of our viewers. Lean meat, chicken is the lean meat, and the leanest part in the chicken is the chicken breast. So for all those of you who are planning to diet and so on, you must consider using chicken breast over the other part.
and then we got lemon juice.
Okay.
Okay. Got the soy sauce.
Soy
Okay.
sauce. Okay.
Again to enhance the flavor.
Okay.
All right, now we got salt. Go on. Go for there.
Just a dash of
A
salt.
dash of salt.
Yeah.
Some pepper.
Okay.
Crushed pepper.
Yeah.
It's good if you crush them at home, so it gives a nice flavor.
Flavor.
Yeah.
True. True. So this, how much you put is really up to you.
It's up to you. Canola oil.
Canola oil, yes. I've heard lots about the canola oil. Apparently, this is for our audience. Canola oil is the only vegetable oil that has the maximum percentage of monosaturated fatty acids, and that is really good for your health because it helps in increasing the HDL content in the body, which is also good cholesterol. So, gyan time.
All right. That's LNP. That's Worcestershire sauce.
Oh,
All
okay.
right. That's again a flavor enhancer.
LNP.
LNP. You normally
Okay.
find it in the market as LNP.
Okay, it's also readily
It's
available.
also available in the market. Okay. And the last we have fresh herbs, and
And what are these?
this is thyme.
Okay.
All right, and they are really fresh from the
It smells
garden.
good.
Yeah. You need a little bit of them. The mistake what people does is they over flavor the dish with load of herbs, and that's
Okay.
not good.
Anything too much is bad.
Bad.
Info.
Exactly.
Yeah.
All right, so that's pretty much ready.
Okay.
And
looks
now,
great.
like we said, all the barbecue requires pre-marination. and
Yeah.
need to be kept in the chiller.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is we're going to put them. Now these bags are freezer friendly,
Okay.
so you can have them in these bags,
Okay.
and they will remain in the freezer. But the problem is when you put them in the containers, you need to have a perfect lid for it.
Okay.
So you might not have it.
So these bags are actually going to preserve all the flavor
Yeah.
and lock it in.
yeah.
Okay.
And then you put them in the bag.
Okay.
Okay. Use that be,
And you just seal it?
and we can just seal it.
Okay.
That's how it is, and you can leave them in the freezer.
Oh, great.
All right.
Okay.
So that's the first part of shashlik.
Okay.
बारबेक्यू सॉस एंड ड्रेसिंग के इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं चिकन प्री मैरिनेटेड 250 ग्राम्स, चेरी टोमेटो कट इनटू हाफ 4 to 5 pieces, green pepper diced 1 medium size, yellow pepper diced 1 medium size, shallots cut into half 5 to 6 pieces, salt and pepper half teaspoon, couscous half cup, chicken stock 1/4 cup, mixed lettuce 1 cup, balsamic vinaigrette 2 teaspoon, parsley 1 sprig, tomato sauce 1/4 cup, chopped garlic 1 tablespoon, chopped tomato 1 teaspoon, olive oil 1 teaspoon, and fresh basil 1 sprig.
मैरिनेटेड चिकन को रख दिया था फ्रीज़र में और अब जबकि चिकन मैरिनेट हो चुका है वी आर गोइंग टू गो अहेड एंड कट द वेजिटेबल्स एंड ऐड कलर टू योर ब्यूटीफुल बारबेक्यू स्क्यूअर. So chef, let's continue.
All right. Okay. We require some vegetables that is going along with the shashlik.
Okay.
So we have peppers, different kinds of bell pepper. You can have any colors which you like. Again, you got onions or shallots.
These are
I prefer-
white onions?
These are red ones. I prefer to have smaller ones.
Oh, these are
shallots.
red. Okay.
Yeah, they're the red ones. Okay. So we need to cut the vegetables in a different way.
Okay.
That is, probably make them in a square, which is easy to grill.
Okay, so this is good in the skewer.
We have the pepper.
Oh, that's a big iron skewer.
That's a
okay.
skewer that
Looks
you,
good.
you require.
Yeah.
And normally you check the size of the barbecue.
Okay.
If your barbecue is bigger than this, then you need a bigger skewer. All right. So we go with this one.
Okay,
And then you got the peppers that goes right back.
right through it. Okay.
Leave some space here because you need to hold. Okay. And then you put your chicken. And this up to your imagination.
ये है हमारे दर्शकों के लिए हाउ अ बारबेक्यू स्क्यूअर लुक्स लाइक एंड में.
So shall we show the listeners how to maybe set a barbecue?
Yes, that's the surprise part of the show. We are actually going to show you how to set up your personal barbecue. आप घर पे कर सकते हैं, पार्क में कर सकते हैं, बीच में कर सकते हैं. We are just going to show you the basic principles of a barbecue. So chef, take it on.
All right. So that's a simple box type barbecue.
Huh.
Okay. When I choose barbecue, I always have it very friendly. You need charcoal for it, and then you need fuel.
हाँ, इसको केरोसिन ऑयल कहते हैं.
You can have it as a kerosene oil. You get them as a fuel, barbecue lighter.
Readily available.
It's readily available in the market. Okay. So you splash few drops of the
On
fuel.
top of.
Okay.
Okay.
And then
Just soak up the whole thing.
exactly.
Okay. चारकोल जलने लगा है and the coal is blistering hot.